This is unboxing video of my iPhone 14 Plus, brought from Flipkart, during sale, for $72,999. Till here, then please subscribe to the channel, because we at least need 1,000 subscribers to get monetization on our channel. That will help me generate some revenue, so I can bring better quality videos for you guys. There's two requirements from YouTube for channel monetization. One is 4,000 watch hours, that we have already completed, and another one is 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe to my channel. And for those who don't know, subscribing is free, you don't need to pay anything. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.